Right, so today we're going to think about the area of a triangle. Before we do that, let's remember what we did yesterday, finding the area of a rectangle. So as we know, the area is the space on the inside. To find that, the formula is the width times the height. Okay, so here it's 12 times 7, which is 84 centimetres. Now, we have a triangle here. We can use this knowledge to work out the area of a triangle. So I have a triangle here, you can see it, it's the red lines here, and it's in a rectangle. Now, I could work out the area of this rectangle by working out the width times the height. Let's say the width is 10 centimetres and the height is 5 centimetres. 10 times 5 is 50 centimetres squared. Yeah. Our triangle, remember, we'd call it the base and the height. But look at what happens when I take these triangles off the rectangle and put them together. I get 2, if I've done it right, I get 2 identical rectangles. And that tells me that that triangle is half the size of that rectangle. So to find the area of a triangle, what we do is we work out the area of the rectangle, so the base times the height, and then I'll put in their brackets because that's the bit we do first, we divide it by 2. So if the base of that rectangle, if the area of the rectangle is 50 centimetres, because 10 times 5 is 50, I could divide it by 2 to find the area of the triangle, which would be 25. So let's use that. So I know the base is 3 centimetres and the height is 3 centimetres. It's the same here. Okay, if it was a full thing, it would be a square. We want to find the area of half that square. So 3 times 3 is 9, divided by 2 is 4.5 centimetres squared, or 4.5 centimetres squared. We've got a slightly different one, but it's the same rule. As long as we know the base and the height, and remember they're perpendicular, remember Friday's lesson, we can work it out. So 6 times 5, which we do first, is 30, divided by 2 is 15 centimetres squared. So the area is 15 centimetres. Another one, and we've got the letters here, so it might tell us which is the base and which is the height, so I know that the base, and if it doesn't tell us, I just work it out. The base is AC, 11 centimetres, the height is BD, 4 centimetres, because it's perpendicular. Okay, 11 times 4 is 44, divided by 2 is 22 centimetres squared. Another one, we're going to have to work out the base and the height. Which is the base and the height? Well, they need to be perpendicular, so I've got my right angle, so the base is BC. Remember, it's only the bit that's on the triangle. The height is AD. BC is 2 centimetres. AD is 9 centimetres. 2 times 9 is 18, divided by 2 is 9 centimetres squared. So just remember, base times height. Do that first, then divide the answer by 2 to get the area. Have fun.